Do you have a shiny public-facing website that's basically a brochure that people look at? Maybe they submit a contact form, and that's really all that your website offers. Did you know that now with all the AI vibe coding tools, we can now make your website be a tool for you without actually using AI in it? If you're skeptical of this whole AI revolution, but you do want to take advantage of what it offers, then I want to show you an example of something my team built here at Fireytech that might trigger ideas in your head, because we can build whatever you need to make your life and your business run smoother. One example is our ticketing queue. We have a computer repair shop in Tulsa, Oklahoma. People bring in computers for repair. We go on site and do computer repair. We needed a good way to track all of those repairs. This might not be exactly what you need, but I'm sharing it with you to kind of start those gears turning. I'm a small business person. I know that sometimes seeing something like this will trigger things in your own mind, and you'll go, oh, I know how I can apply something like this in my own business. And if you can visualize it and you can explain it to us, then the team at Fireytech can build it for you. And it doesn't cost a lot of money. That's the best part. Now with all these AI tools, we can now build something that would have cost $10,000 for a few $100s, or maybe $1,000 or $2,000. And once we build it, you own it. It's on your website and it can be updated easily. So I want to show you this one example of what I built for our ticketing queue. We created a tickets page, and on that page we have different tabs. Our queue tab is where all of our active computer repairs sit. And this shows us different statuses and allows us to quickly look at what's the ticket number, what date did it come in, when was it last edited. It shows the last name of the customer. It shows who's responsible for the next step of follow-up, and then what is the actual follow-up task. We list the brand name of the computer and what type of equipment it is. So if we're looking at the shelf, we know, okay, we're looking for a desktop computer or we're looking for a laptop computer. Then we have our parts column. What's beautiful about this is there's a lot of things that are working in the background on this. For example, if we scroll down here, we'll see that I've got timing set up. So if a computer is waiting for bench space, meaning that it hasn't gotten on the bench yet, and it's been there for more than 3 days, then it turns yellow. And then if it's been more than 5 days since it came in, and there haven't been any notes added or any status changes, then it's going to turn red. And that's just another way to prompt our staff to say, hey, this one needs to get looked at really soon. We have color coding for our parts column. This lets us know based on what ETA date we set, when we bought the part. For example, this laptop needed a motherboard, and the only place to find it was eBay. So we put that into the part order form that we use. So now that is showing red, meaning that it is now past the ETA date. So this is something that would visually remind our staff to go check on this. Was there a shipment delay, or maybe it has been received and nobody's updated it? Then once we receive it, then it's going to go green and show that it's received. So that lets our staff know, okay, this is ready to actually get the part swapped. And then we use yellow when the ETA hasn't passed yet. We're still waiting for that part to arrive. And the little details about each page that we build is very important to me. As you can see, each column is searchable, each column is sortable. So if this has triggered something in your mind and you're like, oh my gosh, there's this thing I have to do every week that just drives me bonkers, we might be able to automate it. We might be able to build in reminders. We might be able to build in some automation, get you away from those Google spreadsheets or Google Docs or paper forms. We're techie people. We love to create efficiency. You can go to the website at fireytech.com. There's a contact us form. You'll submit that and it will go to our leads page, and we'll actually get an email and we will follow up with you, set up an appointment, absolutely free of charge, spend some time with you discussing your setup, your needs, and we'll see if there's something we can do to help you.